Launches new wholesale price index series with base year 2022-23. Key changes explained. India has introduced the revised wholesale price index WPI series with the base year of the 22-23 and replaced the earlier 2011-12 series. Alongside with the revised WPI, the government has also launched the new producer price indices (PPI), which include the output producer price index (OPPI), trial input producer price index (IPPI), and service producer price indices (service PPI). This will mark the significant modernization of the India's inflation measurement framework. Why the new WPI series was introduced? The revised WPI reflects the structural changes in the Indian economy over the last decade. New industries, products, technologies, and energy sources have emerged, and which make the update necessary. The government aims to gradually transition from the WPI to producer price indices, which are widely used across the advanced economies. To facilitate the smooth shift, both WPI and PPI will be published simultaneously for over the next 5 years. This move is also consistent with the recommendations made by the International Monetary Fund (IMF), which advocates the use of producer price indices for better measurement of the producer level inflation. Major features of the new WPI series base year 2022-23. One of the most important changes is the expansion of the commodity basket. The number of items included in the index has increased from 697 to 957, which providing broader coverage of the economy. The new series also incorporates the renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power under the electricity category. Nuclear electricity has been included for the first time. That shows the India's evolving energy landscape. Another major reform is the relocation of the crude petroleum and natural gas from the primary articles category to the fuel and power group. This creates the more coherent framework for tracking energy prices. The methodology for assigning the weights has also changed. Instead of using the net traded value, the revised series uses gross value of output (GVO), which better represents the domestic production and economic significance. Improved statistical methodology. The Office of the Economic Advisor has introduced several methodological improvements to enhance the accuracy of the index. Elementary indices are now also calculated by using the short-term formulation method and replacing the long-term formulation approach used earlier. For handling the missing price data, the new series adopts the targeted mean imputation method. This is considered as the more statistically robust than the previous carry-forward method. These changes are expected to improve the data quality, reliability, and responsiveness to current market conditions. Introduction of producer price indices (PPI). The newly introduced producer price indices provides the detailed picture of the price movement faced by the producers. The output producer price index.